Hey everyone, so this week's theme was brought to you by William, and it is to talk about, let me get the message up again, best/favorite moments of the 7 Awesome Nerds, to reminisce of the most hilarious, saddest, and inspiring moments if we had any. If you don't know, wait, actually you don't know, you shouldn't know, is that the 7 Awesome Nerds is coming to an end after my week, no wait, the week after that. I will be doing the last theme, but then there will be a theme after that, like a goodbye, kind of like, I want it to kind of be like, you know, Glee Season 3, where you're saying goodbye, but you're not really saying goodbye, you know what I'm saying? So this week is kind of the preparation before the next week. So my favorite moment from my video was definitely when I did the reenactment scene of the Kurt and Blaine sexy scene. Let's get it on with the eyebrows. That will always be my favorite video I've ever done. I showed everyone in my real life and I just put it everywhere. Like, I fucking love this video. And there really isn't any sad moments, but I guess one of my favorite weeks was when I had chosen Sexuality Week. I thought it was really important to talk about those things because it's something so close to my heart, and I wanted to see everybody's different opinions and thoughts on the matter and what they are and what their preferences are and just their thoughts on it in general. And I thought that was just a really important week, and I loved every single video that week. It was just, I loved it, and it really brought us together, I think, closer. But every week I thought was great. I don't know, I really like the ones that, I don't even know, I guess the challenges were fun, because they were different than just me sitting here, but, you know, like the ones with the dancing, or the ones with, I don't know, just the weird ones were fun too. I don't know, I can't really pinpoint. I probably have a couple of your guys' videos favorited on my favorites somewhere, because some of them just made me laugh my ass off. I don't even know, but I love you all so much, and I love you all for so many different reasons and so many similar reasons, and just because the channel is ending doesn't mean that our friendship will, and we'll still have our crazy tiny chats with the Chocolate Ghost and K-Fed and everyone else, and it's gonna be sad, but I just think that we've lost our lust and our interest in the video making itself, not the friendships, but everyone's so busy with school and work that they just sort of don't have time to, and I really understand it. And now that Glee is back, I'm doing my Glee caps, and I'm also doing a review channel with my friend Kel, so I'll have to do that a couple videos a week, and it's just like, it was too much, and then it just didn't seem like everybody was into this channel as much as it used to be. So, you know, all good things come to an end, but it doesn't mean that it's ending forever. It doesn't mean you're never going to see our faces again. It doesn't mean we're never going to talk again. So there's that. But I will talk to you guys later, and I will see you next week for my theme, which I don't even know. I haven't even picked one yet. I have to pick like a really, really good one. It has to be the fucking most badass one. And, tell me your favorites. Tell your favorites throughout the whole week. Of what your favorite theme was, and it was just, I guess the cinnamon challenge was fucking funny too, now that I think about it. There's just been so many, I can't even remember, even the ones that were deleted before, you know what happened. So if you want to follow my Tumblr, was a really weird transition, sorry. Want to follow my Tumblr, it was deleted, go check out my video on why Tumblr deleted it, because they're jerks. And wondering if you were following me before, what happened and what happened to my blog. So I'm still on Tumblr, it's just a new blog. So they can't stop me. So I'll see you next week, and stay tuned for William. You better post one tomorrow because you only got a few left. I love you guys.